Hello, good afternoon students. So today our topic is about applications of differential equation and topic name is growth and decay and its statement. The rate of change of amount of the substance is proportional to the amount of the substance itself at any time t, and mathematically we can express it as dx by dt proportional to x in the form of differential equation of first order and first degree. Dx by dt proportional to x, where x is amount of substance. From this we can write, after removing proportionality, dx by dt is equal to plus or minus kx, where k is proportionality constant. If k is positive, growth; if k is negative, decay. So from this divide into two parts, positive k and negative k. Dx by dt is equal to positive kx and dx by dt is equal to negative kx, means minus kx. From this you can write dx by x is equal to k times dt by using cross multiplication. Variables are separated. Integrating on both sides. Integration of dx by x is equal to integration of k dt plus log c, where log c is integration constant. Integration of dx by x you already familiar. Integration of 1 by x dx or integration of dx by x is log x is equal to k is constant, take outside. Integration of 1 time dt t plus log c. Log x minus log c is equal to k times t. So right hand side also same, dx by x is equal to minus k times dt. Variables are separated. Integrating on both sides, same process. Next step, log x minus log c. Log a minus log b can write log of a by b. Similarly, log x minus log c, log of x by c is equal to kt. Next step, now applying exponential on both sides. E power log of x by c is equal to e power kt. Exponential logarithm gets cancelled, left hand side removing. So what you get? Simply log of e power log of x by c. Exponential logarithm gets cancelled. Simply x by c is equal to e power kt. Applying exponential on both sides. That's why x by c is equal to e power kt. After cross multiplication, x is equal to c times e power kt. This equation is called law of natural growth. X is equal to c e power kt. So similarly, the equation of law of natural decay, x is equal to c e power minus kt, where x is amount of substance, c is integration constant, k is proportionality constant, t is time. Therefore x is equal to c e power kt is natural growth, and therefore x is equal to c e power minus kt is natural decay. Growth examples: bacteria in a culture grew, or bacteria in a certain culture, culture of yeast. Decay example: radioactivity. Thanks for watching. I hope understood all of you.